morning, students. Are you aware of DT projects? All are doing a DT projects in the 8th semester.
Yes.
So, what project you have done, and what is the problem statement? Okay, what is the purpose of your doing? Okay, and then what are the surveys you studied? Literature surveys you have studied. Okay, and also what is the proposed methods you have implemented? So I need to clarify with you, so that only I asked to meet you, and you can share your projects with me. Okay, DT based project. Okay, anyone?
Okay. So this project is totally based on educational related with emotional conditions of students.
Okay.
So nowadays, for what is the problem statement is, nowadays students are facing many more issues on their emotional and mental stress. So we make an idea about that students can easily grab their reduce their mental stress with some kind of stress activities, and also some kind of exercise and some kind of meditational aspects. So how it will be recognized from the students? So it is based on an webcam, open CV technology. So to detect the person or student facial recognition and voice recognition to detect their stress limit and anxiety.
In what ways our DT curriculum is involving in your project?
So basically DT, there are 5 phases in the DT. So first step is empathy. Like we have empathized to the students' emotions. Like whenever they are starting to study, they are not fully focused in what they are studying. So they are feeling stressed, and everybody can't focus upon entirely on what they are studying. So this platform will help students to focus on what they are exactly studying, and if they are feeling stressed and if they are not able to concentrate, we are giving some stress relief activities so that they can play as well as study. So we wanted to give learning in a playful method. Like it shouldn't be a stressful method for students.
So what are the studies, literature studies, previous studies you have worked out?
Other than that, our project, some kind of we take a survey on that projects related applications and also project related documents. So when I see a project as like educational with AI, so we integrated with that educational with AI to be an emotional with AI. Okay. So educational with AI is based on PDF document or an study materials to make the study plan. And also, but in educational plus emotional, we added the emotional recognition with that project. We take 3 or 4 kind of applications to do this project.
Okay, Pam. Then you yourself, what is the flow of your project?
So basically we are students and we know the empathy, how it's hard to focus on the one thing like studying.
Okay.
So our data flow diagram, basically we made website. Okay. Because most students are now learning in laptops.
Okay.
So that we are not with the application right now. In the data flow diagram, first comes the face recognition, sir. It will give you the stress level, and according to that we can next go to the next part, which is studying from document, where the document is uploaded and we get the information from that GPT. Only in that document information is extracted, sir.
Okay.
Then if the stress level is high, then mindful games are notified, sir.
Okay.
The students can go for their mindful games and let them relax and do their work again, sir.
Okay. So have you all completed the implementation part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many modules you have involved in this project?
Sir, there are almost 7 modules involved in this project.
7 modules?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
All are different kind of modules. One, so for first, we have a real-time emotional recognition model for recognizing the humans, like students' face and recognition. AI-based recommendation system. It is also an NLP model for to suggest the peoples. And book processing and key concept recognition. These models, if we have around 300 or 400 kind of books, so we can upload this in this our website. It will segregate as a part of study materials, like how many days to complete and how many days we need to learn with that book. And also we have any doubt with that, we can kind of chat with that book to get the knowledge on a particular book.
Okay.
So
What is the front end you and back end your module?
yeah, we use the front end as a React.js for
React.
React,
Okay.
and the back end we use a Python code for the Fast API and OpenCV.
Okay.
Flask is used to integrate front-end technology, and OpenCV is a facial recognition open source key model.
Okay. Have you completed this project entirely?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay. Have you completed the binding works and all?
We are yet to complete. We will complete soon.
Okay. All the best to your project, Viva.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.